Show Mommy your nose.
Auntie?
Can you show me your nose?
Oh, great.
Rebecca. Nose. Where's your nose?
Hey, Rebecca, where's your nose?
No.
Yeah, that's your nose.
Where's your eye?
Eye.
Eye. Good girl.
Eye.
Okay, where's your ear?
Ew.
Here you go. Show me your mouth.
Nah.
Is that your tongue?
Yeah.
Okay, where's your feet?
Feet.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Where's your hands?
Where's your belly button?
Feet.
No, not your feet.
Hey,
Where's your belly
Show
button?
me your belly button.
Great.
Yeah? Your belly?
See the belly button?
I can't get the belly button. Oh no.
No.
Oh no.
Oh, wow.
Good girl.
Oh.
Okay. Love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.